How to find nearby Wells Fargo ATMs using the app. Hey everybody, welcome back. Today in this video, we will be guiding and explaining you through the process. So let's just get started. So what you may do is in order to go over and find the ATM branch or location, you can use the ATM and branch locator tool to find the location near you or use the Wells Fargo ATM select more options within the ATM services or settings and look out for view or print nearby ATMs. So for that, what you may do is you can just head over and open up the application of your Wells Fargo. And once you are there, you should be finding something like ATM or branch locator tools within the application. Or you can even head over to this particular website of Wells Fargo, or you can head over the website directly and search for ATMs and branch locator. After that, when you head over to this, you will be finding a link available here. How can I find an ATM or branch location? You can just go and tap on this link right here, and it will lead you to this section right here. All you gotta do is here in the zip code or city and state, you need to provide in the details. So if you're nearby the location, you can provide in the zip code of that location or the city and state. After that, click on search, and when you do, they will be giving you the ATM location nearby you of the Wells Fargo application. You need to have a location turned on for that, and you can even make an appointment if you prefer. So that is how you find your nearby Wells Fargo ATM using the application. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.